the Falcon range. Waimea Truck and Crane are proud to introduce our Duravault Toolboxes, New Zealand's only toolboxes with a lifetime warranty. Deck mount, 2 fixed shelves, 3mm industrial grade smooth plate aluminium design with fixed wall divider, stainless steel continuous hinge, top opening door with gas strut, 6 drawers on heavy duty sliders, key lockable T-latch handles, rubber waterproofing seal. Thanks for taking the time to look at our product videos. To see more information, please visit waimea.co.nz or free phone us on 0800 60 60 61.